And you think going out on a movie with somebody and sitting and talking to them in a restaurant, now you know who they are? No, you don't. What kind of delusional world do you live in that you have that idea? That's not how you know people. People present what they want you to see outside. Their real self comes out when they live with you. That's when the real self comes out. And you know, in my experience, I know of several cases of Muslim boys and girls that were seeing each other, talking to each other, whatever, before marriage, and have miserable marriages. Absolutely miserable. And they keep saying, I thought you were someone else. I thought you were someone else. They keep repeating the same phrase. Their own logic slapped in their face. Don't go near it. Allah didn't say, La tazinu, don't do zina. He said, don't go near zina. There are certain things that will lead you to it. The zina of the eyes, the zina of the tongue, the zina of the hands, the zina of the feet. Just watch yourself, and especially the eyes. Because it's a road. It's a road that leads to a bad place. So Allah ends the ayah, says, إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً. It's always been a shameless thing. It's not like it's a societal thing right now and it'll be out of phase or whatever. It's always been there. And then these anthropologists argue, no. Marriage is a human construct. It wasn't always there. And we say, actually, it's as old as humanity itself. أُسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ. It's not a human construct. كَانَ فَاحِشَةً. It's always been wrong to do it. وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. And what a horrible path it has been. Allah says, basically He tells us, there are certain things when you get close to them, close is bad enough. The rest will take care of itself. Just like once you enter the gravitational field of the earth, then gravity does the rest. Just like that. So you have to draw a line around it. A lot of Muslim cultures taught us to draw those lines. They're not shari'i principles, they're not necessarily legal Islamic principles, but they're inspired by Islam. Talk to the girl's family, parents should meet. There are certain things we put in place. You know why we put them in place? Because it protects us. You can't say, where's the hadith that the parents should talk about, blah, blah, blah. Where's the ayah? Dude, this is all inspired by la taqrabu. Just don't go near it. Find a safer way. Find a more respectable way. And then they say, this is the best one. Guys have come up to me. Brother, what's wrong with dating? How can I marry someone I haven't even gotten to know her? You must not really know what marriage is. You barely know your wife after 10 years. Barely. Oh, now I know one thing about you. And she'll say, I still don't know you. I don't know what you are. Absolutely. Now وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا النَّفْسِ. Once again. And don't kill any person. الَّتِي حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ. The one that Allah has sanctified. إِلَّا بِالْحَقِّ. Except with right. Now, I want to share with you a logical continuation between zina and murder also. Twice murder is mentioned, right? One of the children, the bond of family, then the other aspect of family, the spouse supposed to be legitimate. But if there is a society of zina, you know what happens? You stop seeing another individual as another soul that Allah honored. You just see it as a piece of flesh. That's how you see another human being. The value of human life goes down when zina increases in society.